Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have an exciting new gardening project which I want to show you all. So let's not waste any time and get started. So for this gardening project I have made a smart watering system. So this system works on the basis of the moisture present in the soil. If the moisture present in the soil reduces below 20%, it will automatically supply water to all pots in the garden. And if the moisture reaches above 90%, then it will automatically stop the system. This system consists of this soil moisture sensor which reads the moisture in the soil, and it also consists of this box which has the circuit of the system. And the piping is installed to all pots of the garden. I have also made an app where you can see the live data of the soil moisture sensor over here, and you can control it remotely. Now it is time to show you a live demo. So right now the soil moisture is at 8%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the system. So I'm going to press the on button now. Now the system is on. Now slowly the water will start to come on each and every pots. Let it come to all pots. Okay guys, so this is it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, then please don't forget to leave a like in this video and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more projects like this.